Yeah, so first official YouTube video. Also, boom, cut up some of my thing them. Normal day I go and relax in the coast like so. Don't know Jamaica, very beautiful scenery more while so. And so we shot some video more while we are drive. Mostly my car stuff cause I work for now. You know? Everybody I do YouTube, so why not just try it out and so I can come of it. A persistence, and if you continue, you can get something out there. Yeah, man, the driving thing no normal more while some crazy things up on the road, but yeah, man, I get to see some nice places at the time, man. Go out and enjoy yourself and see what of different people. What of different people on the road, man. What of different people. So while on the day, I want to like and subscribe and continue, on the journey with me. Say, we appreciate it. A shout out. Yeah, man, I see some very real nice things on the YouTube channel, yeah, man. What's up, boom, and circle the beach and I time them and thing, They like I say, I go and chill. But go and stay lucky, and yeah, so all it more different videos, man. All it more videos where I go push out. So just go and stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, them, drop comments and share, Yeah, man. More while I have to service all the coast of them to one thing, change island and thing day night and make sure so it run good and mad turbo. So we throw some gas oil in it, clean clocks pan foot and thing. Yeah, man, real nice vibes over here. So just go and stay locked in and we are perfect one at a time, but for now just go and stay locked in and like up the video and stay tuned.